Hi, GC News. Mima Obia Akwaba. I had the latest and hot news and Kwana Midi Bremo. Nasa wunya subscribe to the channel na necessary over subscribe. Udi obea say over click the subscribe button. Now wa belly notification no. Where is our video for be upload no. So once ever can be. I thought we are now like video no my nothing. Share my offer for so na wonye bi na wo hwe. Afi yenhwe eye ensema beto ye post enti ensema ekoso
what's nanado performance no edu twam obia including menu eye kwame nkroma no.
I not sure say that guy should not be vice president of anything, either say or very bad judgment or he's totally dishonest. What do I say? Because Nanado kept him for 8 years, or he's so grateful, say he's willing to say really nonsense. He's willing to say nonsense to support him. Why? And I don't know who will not agree say on why I just anything common. And somehow who can let us a Ghana Hana now another what is another Ghana be. Now who and your master. Why yeah, yes, and the country the form team. They say command your coher and go full and just say and yes some to do.
Eso dio ha wani wa ya dia ma enne kumasia kokohwe enya sam kutafe no atwa so nya sam kutafe kumasia ye dai.
Oh, adia na asesa kumasia. Adia na asesa. Ni fantimi enye aduane ni. Onya adwuma ye. Oh.
Kumase.
Na wo kasa say there. Kumase na ye timu ni no na wuti. Wo another kumase. What is it? Just because we when you scanning we want to win it. Just yeah can be.
But in all fairness, Nanado Akufo-Addo, Onyebi, particularly he touts himself as the education president. Who agree with him?
If I show, say, who ye bibia, and just why I do. Now, why ye ni ye no, and the effect. So be about BIB, one about no say, the men of his worker. So be now, how balance at the end of the now, balance you will see agenda 111. Now, see hospitals 111. Saying, no need to do lent and what we are. That's why I did. And they say, hospital, yet to me, we don't get any services. Well, we're still sicker. That's what you've done. And should be a hospital 111 in here, more schools, in here, water treatment centers. I know the addition. That's all the about. Your baby now, your quarter. I can say, certain sense to crown we are president now we are. Whoa! I didn't know we are Napo and I'm a manable. What I say? Because that is not what is needed. See, here, airport, they say, yeah. Not there, hollow. The better expanding now in the Kataka. I'm another say, yeah, 5 more years. Now, go to Puni, now go to Fufu now, say, Fufu now, 2 airlines now, and at the whole crowd. I know about this is waste.
Eti Nanado Akufo-Addo performance in the education sector no. Would you agree to his recall say young friend education president no?
No. Anti-education because woman correct me say you know boarding school. Don't go boarding school can have those days. A whole over kesi in them. That was it. Obi a who obo nso ye student. Eti omukwa enye aduane mi. Oh, na me fa no da kare so this one in Korafo, almost a number. No number can tell you, you take it to be almost. Oh, now way better what mean. That then I could money. Time at a time of John. This is the time of in terms that if you get a good nutrition. And they say, I was here. No, I saw my contract council. Go see there. I'll be Papa, who be some, and some of the on Chassis.
The educational infrastructure, any education numbers, no, and the enrollment across through, especially at the secondary level, no, you still not tout Akufo-Addo as education president.
No. So 1 year primary year, and 1 year can year. Where then I got the school? Or be a want to make kind. Why they got the school? And 2 pounds and grand baby, or won't go university, or buy university, or at the account or can't on Chassis. What is the point? Now it's all education, and now it's all the numbers now here. I'm almost a past question. Yeah, the exam go on. I will hear that I pass, born.
Hey,
yeah, me will hobby. I saw it myself.
Okay, with the Maminya open. Assess the Akufo-Addo government. A hinifan and in your view, why are they?
Fire the say performance indicators who maybe I make us say I had a never be a impedance no crane America. What I say? Why yeah, the form say wouldn't cry dear. So one will be 1 million. No at all Volkswagen million. Sure. Now will be 1 million. No at all Toyota 20. One I had. I don't know and compare here. Yes, I build away. I build you on all the to form of build here. Caterina, I don't work at the end there. Caterina, why should that happen? Why should that happen? Bible focus. Why no could see a banner? On Sahono, home Sessica, or no hotel vessel, and son of a start yes, or could here doom Cynthia, now is Canada. Amount for best. That is what the Bible says.
So, in the energy sector, what will be your comments relating to Akufo-Addo performance?
Lepacho, Doomson, I will say, Doomson is not as severe as Mahama last minute. I'm here for sure. Now, you know, the last minute,
in the energy sector, you still not, applaud him.
Because he had the capability. PCG is about collapse. What is Chinese for the new meters in the movie? Won't it? Chicken sector, no, not the energy sector.
No, still, would you say the back will stop with Nanado? I can't afford a year of such areas.
It stops with him. It stops with him. Nobody else. That's how the system is designed. The over 4 years, the honey key now and the jail. A few restrictions in Napo within the law. Not a beneficia. One year in Casa only. 1 year in Casa on an Amana Basa. We have that audacity. Kubuku Kana for home intimidation. No, Obia Sintimino. Judge the bomb Poco. After the end, the Pecoquity. Judge the Nankasa, Judge the Nankasana. Ye boom.
I just say, a year cantonments, American embassy, and when you judges are dying, a private developer, one for Buokura, enough notice, and once we see a boo. Now, judges, assign a take a refuge in their colleague judges. Say young restraining crop one, now young cancer, my Dakana, near Chia from ya boo, a dino, bear me and sans a 13 crania boo. Yet you are my bay muna, and what's say your timid disrespecting a year establishment in this hour.
Well, I dare Kenya, Nipa Bakupen, to be stopping immediately any president. Also, one coffee. And two were going to say, on the touch there, and I say, Ushamwa, no cray or touch baby. Ushamwa, Sanatepa. Because Nanomana Koswa, some about Umbecabu, Nemo Wako, or Fetch Rakobisa, if a labor union most supportive winner. And that's what was going to happen. No more to me convincing leaders no more support and can one hotels and near toy accounts. Canina, I can't not. All my support and a man stop on. And to say, and then I cost the president who's here and he has to stop it. No. The young guy, I know who they are 2 forest reserves. Yes, sir. I said what to be done. I said what to be done. Forest reserve. That told you. The who now back and some areas of greenery very important for a big city like Accra. No, you know who's that? They sit down. That's all they want. That's all they want to do about life in this country. You cannot get the money anywhere you can get it. Get it. Now, that's why. Oh, sit down and then I say. So I see that is in the area. Sure. If any trespassing, the whole could sit down, will be done after this one. And yes, because of that, we were done with daily. Corrupt judges never rule that way. I trespassing, I didn't know there. And now consider this. Trespassing, one catako, a cost to be a hobby also in mind. Better generous welcome. And no never stop for them. But corruption that was one to the Kubuku institute and that one.
And to say, yet, yes, in a year political class, one to me at to talk and Sassinin, Yana, war integrity, Obakan say assessment, I bet me on the away, or brother Bayer, one who to me, yes, excavate me, such acquisition. You bet me a baby, sir.
Oh, well, I mean, look, there's so many legislation betting my bar, best stopping coupons from doing it. Now, who are gonna now, you pay back for who you know, he can't then account $30 million. I said, we want to do that. And you'll be young, oh, nothing, $30 million. Offer him, what if you hear about it? Or could you know for another one? To be a coward, they are doing it to say the young. And yet shocking both to us. One person, $30 million. Now, Penifone almost more. Then no more, okay.
State capture, yeah, what to be? Now, what are your thoughts?
Oh, that is what they are doing. That is what they are doing. And the president is quiet on it. Because I said, I didn't never stop. Oh, no. And no, be quiet there, and you're lawful. That's a penny for time here. I also go cock with to focus and say, order from above. Order from what above. Yeah, that means he said, 24 patronage. And to Australia, and to mention it, and to Oyado. This is what is going on. And it's been going on for a long time. What do I say? Say, Nana, one of your president, you should act like a president. Yes, somebody also can be no. Why you doing what you
I'm sure. My young say, and now a Wednesday. Now what you know? Uber say president, no, doing his work as president of the republic. Wako a year techimentia, bechem techimentia to Akumadan. First class road. Wamabaya, several a year communities are a wahonum, or free one swami runabout. Their interchange Yomsombe, Waba, one in Wafasias and Subuachi, and Namso, were free a year a swami interchange, Wasai Akko a year trade, Akko dual carriage, yeah, between a year Santason and about no, and it was the Akko a year and young Quanta. Really, no, news coming through this narrative, portray the president and say he's up and doing his work. Enti ediena akoswa na chiri no sa narrative about step catcher yikoswa na ese somehow no yadwene wo ho esene say on the ground no dia wanam awoye
asani na aka ho you don't want too much noise if you no be aka che so you know the join afi na aden na wo kan wan sem ndo wo ha na che say as obi a magician bi ya no wo se no sakaka on the right side no ni ko ha na left na you be before that's what's going on. Okay. No plan say, grab a president in Jumani so or perform. Maybe also coffee beer or so coffee. And you see employer there done I say, nobody here born him who be an analysis some moment here day, mammy. Yeah, tika. No, sika. You can a castle on your side, no. Now, yes, we are coming. And no, so to me, yes, I know. Because there was here checking cry, then checking. Conscience, there was a because we will be cut your second to. So. Cause corruption, great corruption. Says capture, yet don't wait, that Bakumacha Korean, she has a not told us, it's as no Freddy. So, I don't Freddy, Obian Kari.
I just say, you told me, a year golden tulip, yeah, a woman, Abaya Lancaster, Obian Timin Coffee Mechanches, a hint one a toy.
Yes.
And yet, you
show more about say, politicians been on my cabo and on matter. To be correct and Kahoshi. Who cry sometimes you'll try to bribe people to stop it. Yes, I have born training. Also, Bianica Kennedy. Now, can I have an education 2020 now fine. And Munya, sanity.
Hey. Nebribenia Shas, yes, sir. Yeah, Tom, manager Padie, ostensibly for what?
Well, Akufo time they be happy, and I have to tell you that Mahama time be happy. No time he there, that's what's going on. No.
How would you say the government has lost control, Anna?
Don't lose control. The government wants to do, but the government is doing what it wants to do. And some don't know, because in anymore, and put two people to task already. Oh my God! What I said, now to me call. Eko bubu judges dangu. Say no council enya show some proof enya odia. One tomao. No odia oko bubu ogu. Anka Juano, you under arrest until further arrest him. What I say, radio be an who calls there arrest him? Other from our catches, Munyan and the a friend is saying, a BNA, and a day, BNI, and almost you say, and I was
let me also make this point. Who hear me pie, I need to set the record straight. And I know Yenra Napo Eko Kumasi na Nasama Okayano. I believe say if you must say send it no, you could have said it in a different way. And if you must say Akano send it na. Me to me, the substance of Asmo Okayano, I didn't see anything wrong with it.
Is Akufo-Addo better than Kwame Nkrumah in terms of performance?
For the record, he said the things he talked about. Akufo-Addo indeed has done better
than Kwame Nkrumah.
And these are the reasons. So, but you see.
So it is more of said you will see Kasa Nkrumah numpo and not the substance of
Nkrumah numpo now the buyer no. But the word say Obiaye Kwame Nkrumah no. You saw Chi Kasa no. But he didn't mean to denigrate him or insult him. Name or patch say Kwame Nkrumah on free NPP mu, on free and tradition mu no. Or no, and normally, or no, normally, I didn't hear yastic. I was Ghana. Say what pay for me to be a heso. Now no Yamin, Joseph Yamin. Or say your mama wait to him po what pay for me better than.
Your mama will put
oh yes.
Now what is wow? Language.
Yes, and I mention
now what do you talk about? Your mama will put what you will
because we know what he has done. We know what he has done.
It is a your mama. The president will be personally speaking.
No, that's not making.
No, listen to the language.
The language.
And that is why you should allow me to explain what I'm trying to do.
Withdraw those words. Because we are Kaniba. Kaniba, they don't
do that.
So your mama will impose what you will.
And allow me to complete my statement.
No, withdraw that line.
I cannot withdraw it until I complete. If when I complete and you think that slam me wrong.
There are two aspects we are looking at. The substance of your comparative analysis and the language employed. So with the language we have an issue, but with the comparative analysis, nobody will stop
your mama you over here. Your name say 5 years. Ghana, your dad doom somuno. Or numpo, obetui bejina bontin. I can say he has performed better than Nkrumah. That is what he said, and this is the point I'm trying to make. Now, Napo, I am Minister for Education. Sisi I'm no say more than 1.3 million children. Student, and I feed woman opa, a year, and you mre, your mum, babida, in so benum, cat at Aron Besha, and cat on Michigan. I buy for who can you now? And now, or see, Tamwa, Kwame Nkrumah, at the free education, a bar no for no. Ghana, in population now was about 5 million. That time, no population now, no, yes, saying. And now, the free education call. Name on the Akufo-Addo buy. Since I'm no say, your population in Ghana is more than 35 million. And why are you nationwide? So in his view, in his opinion, Nana Akufo-Addo has done better than Nkrumah. This is what he meant to say.
He didn't say.
That is what he meant to say.
Yeah,
it's good you are saying that.
An afterthought.
It
was an afterthought.
You see, my platform no done. It wasn't afterthought. That is what he meant to say.
There was no need for the mentioning of Nkrumah. Nkrumah is not part of
body
this.
language.
The body language, you know, I am saying. I know, say. Or can't go through hono. You know, say ni pada woka sa.
Okay, but mama me hwey. Kwame Nkrumah. JJ Rawlings. John Kufuor, John Mills, John Mahama, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Bubo in your order of preference, mommy.
Oh, the why are they pa?
Yeah.
Oh, in terms of education there, Obia was sector, because where are there?
But he didn't say education.
No, but he was talking about education. I said in his view.
Some president for
what did you hear?
What did you hear? Kwame Nkrumah.
I was saying Kwame Nkrumah said Opa education more. Nana Akufo-Addo has done very well.
Why did he say Opa education more? Because where the
no, but no can't no. And America, this is what he was talking about. And indeed, they can't abaya why you road to Sina.
The platform he was standing on was an acceptance speech. Education plan.
Your former president,
Kwame
6, no.
University students were getting allowances. Are they getting allowances today?
JJ Rawlings, John Kufuor, John Mills, John Mahama, and another than Akufo-Addo. So any pensiano. Why not in totality? Why are the Bubo in that other mammy?
In my view, NPP, we perform better than any other political party.
Between Nana
Akufo-Addo and Akufo-Addo.
Currently,
Nana Akufo-Addo he has performed better.
Number one.
He has performed better. Before the Tosso
and number 2.
Nabuzi and Swapoto.
The 2.5 months. The 2.5 years.
Oh no, 2.5 years. Who quantify? Now the Ken Ofori
What did he do?
He did very well.
I was not the child.
Nkrumah was a leader of this country for 15 years. 9 years. Nkrumah was a leader of this country for 15 years. And in 15 years.
Oh no.
Was say a top 3 in UP.
Oh yeah, UP4.
Why are the
if you want to know whether UP4 woman I do or woman all you have to do so if you live here your party, the party is what Dankwa Buzia Domo. Go and look at the statue of Buzia at 37. You will see the state of the NPP today.
Now he's just giving you one.
I'm not saying anything anymore.
I said,
go and see them.
Accra. Did you say that?
I said it, yes.
I didn't know.
Look, so we share Kufuor time within 8 years. A kwanya obi no krum ha. A free cycle ha. A kwa fa chimota. A kofa ofanko. A bie kwanim. That time ufi cycle ha. A kofa chimota pa. It can take you 2 hours. Share a kwanya oye free ha say. A kofa Legon. A koya kofa Madina. A kopie wo ayi aburi. Share kwanya why ya krum ha.
Kufuor de ma Accra.
High rise buildings.
Now when
compared to Domama Bimbadi 8 years now.
First asphalt road. And can say women boy. A road by
Anya Tamadea, Henaga.
First asphalt road, Accra has say, a year from Kwame Nkrumah Circle to Dankwa Circle.
I don't know what to say.
And asphalt.
And
no asphalt, no, a year John Rawlins and a year asphalt.
No, I'm not saying, say.
No, you are talking about Rosa for years. And the major also say,
no, asphalt road, no, did not make Accra. The city must be built in such a way, say, who's the criminal on the moor? No, that's a fact. You cannot deny this. All these high rise buildings. High rise
buildings.
High rise buildings in the Magrumia.
Uvri Kumasi Airco.
High rise buildings don't make
Yo, it's for because just do so and our heaven. So we now subscribe. Let's just say, but more than that, subscribe now. Like the video, that feels so I share my offer for so any bit and what. Also, bet me actually working a fire and some way now. I will comment boxing over in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.